Okay, welcome to the last half of week 6. So you should be completing step 1 of the Sustainable Development Goal signature assignment, and that was group research. And now what you'll be doing is completing the next step. So you get to compile a group research paper, which I absolutely understand is difficult. Let me get rid of that. But you will have several um, tips that I've included and a assignment that you and your team members should fill out as early as possible in order to establish who is responsible for what. So I have turned on the wiki option for all your groups, and it's found within your group area. So it's going to be right in here. So for example, we will just go to the first group. You now have Group Wiki available to you. So you can go in there. I've preset an organization template so that way you can identify who's responsible for what. And the most important thing is you have 1 week. So this is due next Thursday, so the 21st at 11:59. And again, these 3 steps of the signature assignment are worth a very large part of your grade. The whole signature assignment is 30% of your grade. So if you don't complete, part of those steps, it really is going to take a large, your grade will be largely impacted. The next part of this is that your paper has a peer evaluation step. So once it's done, once you've turned the paper in, only one person will be completing the paper or turning the paper in for the entire group. But one thing that everybody does have to do is complete the peer evaluation form. So this is linked into your groups in order to turn in the paper. You have incredible instructions here that's going to give you exactly what I'm looking for. Please read through these. Review the information as a group. I am going to get through the grading piece of your groups. I'm hopeful by Friday the 15th, by the end of the day. It may be into Saturday, but I really want to get that done quickly so that way you can use that information in the comments from the grading in order to strengthen your paper. This is the key piece, the group paper peer evaluation. Many times over many semesters that I've taught this course, this step is forgotten. So please understand that if you don't turn a group evaluation in, you will get a 0 for that. So this is a large part of your grade, and you'll see this underlined here. The submission to the peer evaluation feedback form is due within 48 hours of the due date. So that means this is due next Thursday. So by next Saturday at 11:59, I will expect that all of the peer evaluations are in, and then I will review those and make sure that grades will be adjusted based on evaluation that they give themselves and their group members. Okay, so this is the main thing that you'll be working on for this week. The other part is chapter 14. So you don't have a ton of work this week other than to really go through the research that you've done with your group, tie it all together, and it should be succinct, it should flow well, it should be a very well-written piece of work. So this second step is the group research paper. The final third step that you'll be getting to later on is an individual paper. So this is your final group project for the semester, and it's so hard to believe we only have 2 weeks after this. This one is done. So keep pushing strong. This once you've done this step, you're really on the home stretch. You're really getting to the end of it. I know that you've done a lot of work, and I really appreciate all the thoughtful research you guys have put into really all the work that you've done. I'm really impressed with the quality that I've been getting. So keep it up. You are almost almost done, which is so hard to believe. Okay, so due at the end of 7A, as we're calling the week, but next Thursday, July 21st, you'll have to turn in, one person from your group will have to turn in the group research paper, and then you'll have 48 hours to complete the peer evaluation. Okay, have a great week, and don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions. Thanks.